Hey guys, what's going on? My name is James Mason. If this is the first time that you've watched one of my videos, I appreciate you clicking on that link and checking this out. Please, check out the rest of my channel. What it is that I post videos to help people become a better trader. I post videos on my complete stock trades, such as, the complete buy, the complete sell, and you'll either see my profit or a loss. And I even post the bad trades that I make. So this video right here, I didn't even know that there was any demand at all for it. Somebody had saw a picture that I had posted with a thumbnail on another video and wanted to know, how did I get this white background? And this person's actually my friend, but honestly, I was shocked and kind of hurt because nobody uses the white background. And but if this is something you like, I'll show you how to do it. Or maybe you have the white background and you want to go to the dark one. So if you like this white background, chances are, you probably like tofu, and you probably like the smell of your own farts. So, I've completely lost all respect for you, but, nah, I'm just kidding. But, honestly, I hate the white background. It's just too bright for me. So you have your, ThinkOrSwim platform open, and you want to change the color of your background. So what you need to do is go up here to Setup. Click on Setup. Click on Application Settings. This will open up. Click on Look and Feel. And right here at Color Scheme. And click on, if it's light that you want, you'll click on light. If it's the dark one, which is pretty much what myself and the rest of the world uses, click on the dark one. And some of these other things you can change. You can play around with it. Just remember the default settings, just so well, never mind, you don't have to remember the default settings because they're default, and you just we cook that. But so this is how you change it from light to dark. And there's some what they call the old school one, but I'm gonna put it back on dark and come down here to apply settings, and that's how you change this. So there you go. I appreciate you taking these few minutes to watch this quick video I made. Again, I didn't even think that people wanted to know that, but so for those that actually wanted that, I hope this helped you out. And please like this video, subscribe to my page. I have a lot of content that I'm about ready to release over the next month. I'm actually making a free stock trading course. So like I said, it'll be completely free, no memberships for anything. I will never charge you anything at all, never ask for any personal information. The content will be uploaded for you to view whenever you want. So I appreciate you taking your time, and I'll see you in the next video.